In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up a Buick Lucerne key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This process is super easy to do. You won't need any special tools or anything like that. You'll just want to get a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online, and I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go ahead and check that out if you are interested. And now the first step is just to look down on the bottom of the device, right where this key ring attaches, and you can see along the seam in the plastic there's a little space, kind of a little slot there. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, just insert it into that area gently, and once it's wedged in there a little bit, you can just twist your flathead screwdriver and you'll see it crack open. From there you can just pull it apart with your fingers. And now we're just going to push this battery up. I'm going to use my flathead just to push it all the way out. And now you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery and make sure this positive side is going face up. So you will slide that in there with the plus sign and the text and the battery information facing up. And now we can just very easily click the two halves of the device back together and you are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know just by giving this video a like or letting me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this YouTube channel where we have videos for pretty much every device from every make or model. And you can also get all of that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.